Today on this guy's garage, we'll put the finishing touches on Project Flip It Out. So we're going to put some paint stripper on these rims because they're pretty corroded. Get all the paint out. Some water to neutralize this. Hey, Oozaloo. What the paint stripper did was allow this to flake off and it'll open off with the wire wheel. Clean it up. Got the paint stripped off this wheel and see if we can get it to look a little better than it does. These wheels look like hell, and a little bit of spit and polish, a little bit of paint stripper, a little bit of sandpaper, and a little bit of paint, and we can make these wheels look like new. Junk from work shout out.
Yeah.
Alright, we got everything messed up. Got the paint off, the old paint off these wheels, got the corrosion cleaned up. And we're gonna put some sealer on it and put some sparkle on it. Alright. It's Monday, so the paint's dry. We're gonna pull off the paper and pull off the tape and tighten up the wheels and put the hubcaps on and see what it looks like. I'll be back to show you. So here's what we done. Painted the wheels up, because, well, frankly, they look like hell. Spot painted the bottom up. Good color match. So now we'll put a wash and wax on the old girl, and she'll just be just about ready for sale. All right. Here's the seat we repaired. Lovely. And this thing looks fine as wine. All right. Catch you on the next episode. So, today's shout out is going to 410 Auto Tech. And he's a recent UTI graduate, so congratulations on that. Lots of great videos, unboxing, tech talk, live streams. He's the man. Check it out. Don't be cheap. Leave a like. So head over to 410 Auto Tech and show him some love. Don't forget to tell him who sent you. And the subscribe button's right there. You can find 410 down here. You can catch the other projects that were on Project Flipping Out right over here. And don't be cheap. Leave a like. It's free, for Christ's sakes. And if you haven't caught up yet, if you haven't got the extra, and if you haven't got the extra,